Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This is the finished propeller of 1 to 72 Hawker Hurricanes manufactured by Arma Hobby. Details matter and I'm going to show you how to paint this one. Assembly was very easy, so I will not focus on this part too much. Usually I paint the spinner separately, but since it's all black, this time I glued everything together. Blade tips were first primed white and then painted yellow. I secured them with 2 mm masking tape and applied black base. I used Mr. Paint 085 surface primer. My model represented a very dirty and worn training aircraft. I wanted to achieve a similar effect on the propeller as well. I applied Mr. Paint 141 neutral gray as the first layer, simulating a faded look. The quickest way to do it is to use airbrush stencils like from 77 Propeller Company. Now I needed to tone it down a little. The most important thing to remember is to not use the black paint. My choice was Mr. Paint 173 tire rubber applied with many transparent layers. You can use other dark colors like NATO Black, AMT6 or LM66 instead. The effects achieved with an airbrush are quite soft, so I decided to add some randomness using oils. Few spots of Tamiya panel line. Accent gray were then stippled with a soft brush dipped in MIGS thinner for washes. You can easily control the effect and make as many attempts as you need. Finally, I added few black stains visible on real propellers. Once the black oil paint dried, it resulted in a subtle, natural-looking finish. The last step was to add scratches. Propeller was first secured with Mr. Paint 127 matte varnish. Then I used Prismacolor Premier pencils, gray for black and dark brown for yellow. and that's it. I could now coat the propeller with Mr. Paint 126 satin varnish and attach it to the model. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and I promise you to deliver more interesting content soon. Cheers!